Hello everyone, so today we're going to see how the HubSpot enrichment list is working. So how you can enrich your HubSpot contact with LinkedIn data in just one click. We will update the first name, last name, job title, LinkedIn profile URL, and other properties. I will show you that right now. So you go to enrich your list now. And then here, once you connected your HubSpot, you can search for any list, static or active list, and you can filter by this type of list. So let's say, for example, I search for Hublead and I have my list here. If you want to do a test, for example, here I have like 498 credits available, and this contains 150 contacts. We only enrich contacts with an email, but let's say I just want to try for 5 contacts. So I can go there and click on random sample, select 5 contacts, and it will take 5 contacts of my list. If I go back to my dashboard, now I have the sample list. So I just click on sample list, and you see we will update the 5 contacts, credit required 5 credits. So you get 1 credit for 1 contact enriched. And a new list inside HubSpot will be created. Only contact with business email will be enriched, and contact without any emails or personal emails won't be charged. So we calculate that all contacts right now have the business email. We think it's 5, but then when we will enrich and it happens that the contact has a free mail or no email, then the credit will be given back to you. I click on enrich. You might need to wait for a few minutes that the enrichment process is doing. Then if I reload, I can see that 5 credits have been withdrew. And then now you can see that I have less credits. I can see the history. I can see that the Hublead enrichment sample has been enriched. If I click on that, it will open the list and I will see all the contacts enriched. It takes the same name as your initial list and add the enriched by Hublead, so easier to retrieve inside your HubSpot. If I go to someone inside my HubSpot, for example, and I check for the job title, you see that we already enriched the job title here, the city, the country, and of course the LinkedIn URL. We enriched the first name and the last name too. So I hope you enjoyed. It's pretty easy. You can enrich static and active lists from your HubSpot. It's based on emails and you get all the LinkedIn data in just one click. If you're interested, do not hesitate to click on add credits and book a call with me.